Farfetch Affiliate Program. Make money with Farfetch. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Farfetch. And if you don't know, Farfetch is basically an online store where you could buy different types of clothing as you can see here on the examples. And having affiliate program with Farfetch would allow you to earn a lot of money. Now, how do you earn or how do you join the Farfetch affiliate program? Now, the process is very simple, which is presented over here on their page. They are looking for innovative, fashion-forward, stylish websites and blogs from around the world, in particular those that are specialized in fashion, lifestyle, and beauty and design. So, those are the requirements. They're not really requiring you to have a social media account where you promote them online like a video, but they're more inclined on stylish websites and blogs that would promote them. So if you're someone who is able to create blogs or some stylish websites and you have the talent to create a specific type of website, you could utilize or take advantage of this and join or apply for an affiliate program with Farfetch, wherein you will be able to promote their different products. And as you can see, what are the benefits on Farfetch? These are the following benefits that you will be able to earn or get from being in affiliate partnership with Farfetch. You have the free to join. You're not required to pay anything to join their affiliate. You will have a 30-day cookie window, all commissions on all approved global sales, including returns and cancellation, daily product feeds to support a variety of currency, competitions and giveaways, and regular newsletter about new product arrivals, new boutiques, features, and offer. And as you scroll down, you will be able to see some basic information about Farfetch. They are the world's largest selection of luxury. So when you shop at Farfetch, you're shopping pieces of luxury brands, boutiques around the world, which makes sense because their products, as you can see here, are very expensive. And like it said, you are required to have a website or a blog. So to join their program, you can see over here on the right side, you have this very simple instruction. To join their affiliate program, you're going to have to email their email. This is their email over here, affiliate@farfetch.com. And you will email them the name and URL of your website or blog. They will review your site and respond to the email within 7 days with further information on how to join the affiliate program. You can also join as a Farfetch boutique if you want by emailing them over here as well. Then they will be sending you some information or they will reply to you via email more information about how to proceed. Now, if you want to try and apply to this, you could go to websites such as Wix, which will allow you to create websites or blogs absolutely for free. You will not need to pay anything for this platform to create your website. So you could go to this website if you want, then click on create new site over here. You could explore a bit, enhance your skills, and train a bit so that your skills or your website editing creation or blog creation would be better and good. And once you're satisfied or if you feel confident, you can apply to Farfetch and send them the blog or website that you have created. Now, I'm going to suggest you to use Wix because Wix is a very beginner-friendly platform. And there's a lot of things that you could utilize with Wix. As you can see here, we are going to show you how to create a website right now. It mentioned that they want a stylish website and blogs. So you could select blog over here as the type of website you're creating. And you have here different types of blog. You can simply search for fashion. Since the Farfetch is a fashion blog or a fashion platform, then click on next. The good thing about Wix is all of these questions are very useful. They will do or they will use the information that you're inputting here as a way to help you build your website. So for example, right now we have selected fashion blog. Later on, the templates that we will be able to select or the different settings that we will be able to select will be related to fashion blog. So for now, let's go with Farfetch Affiliate as our temporary name. Click on next so that we could proceed to the next step. And there we go. You will be able to see all the different features that you could have on your website. your website will be able to contain a lot of different features. As you can see, you could add video, music, online programs, groups, file sharing. But the most important apps that are recommended to us are the blogs, of course, the chat version or the chat feature where you will be able to chat with the site visitor, Instagram feeds, and forms over here. So right now I'm going to disable these two so that our loading with Wix is going to be fast and not slow. So after that, simply click on next. And you could set up things on your dashboard like the settings, analytics, and communication if you want. You can explore this first, but I suggest that you go with the template first so that you could begin designing your style. You can also ask Wix to build the website for you because it has an AI that will help you build your website. So you could either do it on your own, which what we will do right now, or ask an AI to help you build it as well. So for example, right here, there's a lot of templates that you could check out. If you want to follow or if you want to try out one, you can simply hover on a specific template that you want to edit, click on edit, and then you will be able to edit them. Or you could also start with a blank template wherein there will be nothing on your website, but just a simple layout, and you could customize it and create your amazing output. But let's continue over here, click on edit, and you will be able to begin editing your website. It will take a while to set up, like right now. It might take a few seconds or even a few minutes to finish set up the website editor. But after you are able to fully set it up, you will be able to create websites, and hopefully you will be able to pass their rubrics or their qualification for what type of website and blogs they would like to have or they would like to have applied to them. And if you're satisfying or if the website that you were able to create, the blog that you were able to create is very satisfying, they will accept you in their affiliate program, and then you will be able to start earning a lot of money with Farfetch. Now keep in mind, you will not be accepted right away, because if you just apply with a free or if a new blog website and a freshly new website, they are most likely not going to accept your application right away because you're just someone new. No, you don't have any audience yet, all of those stuff. So you're going to have to work hard so that you will be recognized by people. Wait until you have enough audience for you to apply to Farfetch and even apply to other affiliate programs out there if you want to try. But once you have enough audience, a decent amount of people are watching your blog, reading your blog, visiting your website, all of those stuff, feel free to apply to Farfetch and you will have better chances of getting accepted into their affiliate program after you email their account over here. And that's basically it. So the process or the typical things that you will be posting on your blogs are basically like, for example, this one over here, you're going to talk about the specific product. You're going to post photos about it and tell how luxurious it is, what type of brand it is. Basically promoting it through words instead of the traditional videos where you would see it on social media. And that's basically it. That is how it would work with Farfetch. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.